Right then, decided to start with this passenger footwell. It's ready to be cut, so here we go. Right, now we've got the footwell out of the way, it's time to clean up all these edges, ready to accept the new panel. Right then, so far, drilled out all these spot welds, both sides. Open this up, it's solid in here, so I'm quite happy with that. I've trimmed this panel because it was too tall, so I just trimmed the top off there. And also this bit didn't fit. For some reason this was further down here, so all I've done is just trimmed it back, it fits alright. Up here we've got a bit of a gap here, so we're going to have to make a bit of a panel just to fill that. Also where I've had to cut back here because of rust, that also needs filling as well. It's alright, it's not a problem. But yeah, quite happy with the fit. Okay, making this filler panel for you. Basically we want an angled piece that sits up behind this piece and sits on top of the footwell. So any rain just goes straight down. What we're going to use, 1mm sheet. Let's go. panel in, all the spot welds cleaned off, quite happy with it. Time to put the footwell back in. I like it. Time to cut some more spot weld holes then. I'm going to attempt to follow the world's straightest line across here and cut this rust out. Because it were all rotten, we had to put the footwell back in so we can get measurements down from here to where it should be. And make a plate. Here we go again then. Right then, final fit up before welding. Put the floor back in, screwed in where it should be to make sure we're going to line up nicely. All the spot weld holes are punched in, all the mating surfaces have been cleaned up. Let's weld it. Job done. Ready for seam sealer and paint. I hope you've learnt something. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one when we get rid of this lot.